Once again, my friends, are you among a school owner that used to complain or typing your exam question is giving you headache? You're always thinking about the money you're going to spend or you're going to give to the typist to type your questions paper. Please don't worry. Or are you a teacher that doesn't or typing a question is giving you a headache, and because you're not very fast in typing, please don't worry. I'm going to show you the smartest way to type your question, even if the exam is going to start today. Let's assume, as a school owner or the exam officer, you're going to, or you have so many classes. Don't worry, you can even finish it today with the use of AI. For example, here is a sample. So let me go to the camera of my phone and then snap the question paper or the questions. uh, then I will take it to the AI. It will transcribe everything for me. So let's do it. I have clicked for the camera. So let's assume this one is a question. This is a mathematic text questions. So you snap it, you finish for this page, you go to another one, you snap it, and then the last page, you snap it. So now the next thing you're going to do, you head over to Gemini, because the reason why I prepared Gemini will give you opportunity to upload so many images, because it's good in creating uh, 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 images. So sometimes if you're going to upgrade or make some changes on your image, so Gemini is good for that. But the remaining AI LM models, they limit the number of upload of images. So I have already arrived at my Gemini AI. So I'm going to click on this plus icon. It will give me an opportunity to upload the images I snap. So I click on photos. Yes, it will give me opportunity to access it. So now these are the questions. 1, 2, 3. So now just write this very simple English. Transcribe this writing in the image above, in the images above, or in the images is okay. Boom. Let's wait and see. It has already finished. It will finish typing. It will start typing all the questions. You see, mathematics text question. What is the value of this thing? So in a single day, you finish everything. So all what you're going to do, you just edit. A place that you are not composite, you carry it, you copy it. For my phone, I will go to my notepad. Then I will paste it there. Boom, let me paste it. Look at it. Then I will edit. Before you know, you have finished typing your first paper. So in a day, you can do all the equations in the entire school. You can finish it in a day. So had it been we know this when we're in university, we're not going to worry ourselves for typing of our project work, or we give it to the typist. Thank you. Enjoy.